How to play the A major and E major triads, or guitar chords. The video on the C major chord explains what these lines mean, these vertical and horizontal lines. So if you don't understand what those mean, please review the C major chord video. But on the A major chord, there is an X there over the 6th string, which means you're not going to play the 6th string at all here. That means don't strum the 6th string, which is your top string. That is right here, the big thick string on top of your guitar. You're not going to play that string on this chord. These zeros indicate that the 1st string and the 5th string are both open. So make sure that you don't touch the 1st string or the 5th string with your left hand. You're just going to be playing strumming chords with your right hand thumb, and don't use any other fingers of the right hand right now. And these numbers again stand for the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers of the left hand. So here's my left hand, 2, 3, and 4. And these 3 fingers right here are going to go on the 2nd fret. They're all going to be bunched together, very closely together, on the 2nd fret. And I'm going to play the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings just like this. So starting with the left hand 3rd finger, it goes right here on the 2nd string at the 3rd fret. And again, don't play here, but play just behind that 2nd fret, which is the 2nd bar here. This is the 1st fret, here's the 2nd fret. And then here's my 2nd finger on the 3rd string, just like that. And my 1st finger is going to go right over here. Now there's going to be a little bit of a slant to that chord when you play it. Okay, so that's normal, that's okay. But you want to make sure that all the fingers, all 3 fingers, are in between the 1st fret and the 2nd fret bar, and that you're not on top of the fret. And what's really important, super important on this chord, is that you make sure that the 1st string is open, and it should sound like this. It's an open string, and so is the 5th string. So don't make sure that the stack of fingers does not touch the 5th string or the 1st string. And so really slowly, taking my thumb and playing 1 string at a time. Here's the 5th string open. Nothing is touching that 5th string right there, right? So that's an open string. Here's the 5th string. Here's the 4th string, and the 3rd, and the 2nd string, and the 1st string is open. The challenging part about playing this chord is making sure that this 3rd finger does not bump in to that 1st string. Otherwise, you're going to hear this. See that sound? That's because this finger is touching that string. So really important that you keep this bunching group of fingers here away from string number 5 and string number 1. And you want to have your thumb in the middle of the guitar like this. Don't have your thumb on top. Have it right here in the middle. And with your right hand, you're just going to be strumming the chord. That's all you're doing here with the right hand. See this with my thumb? Now with the E major triad, or the E major chord, that's over here. Here we have 3 open strings, the 1st string, the 2nd string, and the 6th string. That's what those zeros represent. And the 1st finger now is going to play the 1st fret, the 3rd finger is going to play the 2nd fret on the 4th string, the 2nd finger is going to play the 5th string at the 2nd fret. So again, here's your 2nd fret, here's your 1st fret. And you've got a lot of open strings on this one. This chord, you're going to strum all 6 of the strings on your guitar. So let's try this now. Take your left hand and put your 1st finger right here on that 1st fret of the 3rd string. And again, make sure that you have your thumb right over here, just like this. That goes right there. Then take your 2nd finger, okay, put that on the 5th string right here, and put your 3rd finger on the 4th string. Okay, let me show you that again. Your 1st finger is going to go right here on the 3rd string at the 2nd fret, right behind it. That's the 1st fret of the 3rd string. The 2nd finger goes up here on the 5th string at the 2nd fret, and the 3rd finger is going to go right here on the 4th string at the 2nd fret. So these fingers are right here like this. And then this finger here needs to be behind them, just like that. Okay, so notice the position, and when you look at your hands, that's what you should see right now. Here's my 3rd finger, here's my 2nd finger, here's my 1st finger. I'm going to very slowly strum 1 string at a time here. Here's the open 6th string, This is the 5th string, 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st.